Today I'm going to show you a tiny trick that makes Excel work a lot faster. You will learn how relative references let Excel copy formulas for you, why those formulas sometimes break, and how to fix the problem by locking a cell in place. Start with a simple example. Say, column A has prices, column B has quantities, and column C should show the total. In cell C2, you type H@2. Excel does not remember the names A2 and B2. It remembers the position relative to the formula. That means when you copy the formula down, Excel looks 2 cells to the left and 1 cell to the left from each new row and adjusts the formula automatically. You do not need to retype the formula for every row. Type it once in the top cell, press Enter, then click the cell again. Move your mouse to the bottom right corner until the cursor becomes a thin plus, then drag down to fill the column. If your data is one solid block with no empty rows, double-click the little square instead, and Excel will copy the formula down to the last filled row for you. Relative references are very useful, but they can cause a problem when one value should stay the same for every row. For example, imagine a tax rate sits in cell A1, and you want to multiply every price by that tax. If you type A1 and copy it down, Excel will move A1 too. So in the next row, the formula becomes A32. If E2 is empty, your result is wrong. That happens because A1 was treated as a relative reference. The fix is to make that single cell stay fixed. We do that by using the $sign, which makes an absolute reference. Change E1 to $A1 in the formula, so it becomes $Jatwu soin $. Now, when you copy the formula, A2 will change to A3, A4, and so on. But $A1 will always point to the same cell. A quick way to add the $signs is to select the cell reference while you are typing the formula and press Power. Each press toggles through the options, and you want the fully locked form $A1. On some laptops, you may need to hold F1 while pressing Power. On Mac, try Command T if FR does not work. So the difference is simple. Relative references move as you copy because Excel follows the position. Absolute references stay fixed because the $signs lock the column and the row. Use relative references when you want Excel to adjust row or column numbers, and use absolute references when you want one value to apply everywhere. Try this on a small table to see it work. Put a tax rate in one cell and practice typing Yaiwani, then change it to Yatwu $, and copy down. Practice using the fill handle and double-clicking it. These small habits save a lot of time and stop common mistakes. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments which Excel problem you want me to solve next. Take care and bye.